Ovens, furnaces, hot water heaters, and stoves. These natural gas and propane burning appliances all produce carbon monoxide, an odorless and colorless gas. So how can you make sure that your home is safe? Deputy Fire Chief Paul Canzone says that there are a number of things that can lead up to a carbon monoxide buildup in households, from leaking appliances to blocked chimneys.
So typically in the wintertime, we have an increase of carbon monoxide calls. So whether it be someone feeling ill in their house or someone's carbon monoxide alarm going off.
The firefighters use special meters to test how much carbon monoxide is in a house, and after a quick discussion with the homeowners and a walk around the home, they can usually identify the source of the carbon monoxide and turn it off.
Let's say you don't turn your furnace on for the whole summer, right? Animals build nests in the chimneys, and we have those calls all the time where chimneys are blocked, and so the fumes can't get out.
And with the increase in carbon monoxide incidents in the winter, it is very important to recognize the symptoms and how they can affect you and your pets.
They mimic like flu-like symptoms, so nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, just feeling tired, like malaise. So typically people will feel like they're just tired and weak.
According to Deputy Fire Chief Paul Canzone, not only is it important to have a carbon monoxide detector on each floor of your home, but also near each carbon monoxide source.
If they start to act up, you should just replace them.
If the carbon monoxide detector in your home goes off, you should grab a phone, go outside to fresh air, and call 911 immediately. Mikayla Green, Oswego Now.